as well as speaking live.
Because the IEBC who wear the shoe and the implementers of this law, so he provided the report. Members have agreed with him. Finally, he presented a document from CAK on the coverage, the network coverage in our country. And close to about 25%, over 2,000 sub-locations in our country are not covered by the 3G network. So now we are going back to the House, and I'm sure, and we have also told our colleagues that this bill might go to the Senate. And if there are more consensus to be built, then that is the right position.
Your colleagues from CORD have barricaded the entry to the chambers, and they're insisting no session will take place.
No, that is, that is where our colleagues are wrong. It has never happened. I went through this morning all parliamentary democracies and look at whether there's anywhere in the world where a speaker's procession to the chamber has been blocked. But what they are doing, then that means tomorrow they will block the Chief Justice from accessing the Supreme Court. Next time they'll go and block the President from leaving State House. These are people who believe in anarchy, they believe in violence. But as a parliament, the 11th parliament, we have one mandate to legislate, to amend existing principal acts in the interest of the people of Kenya. And they cannot blackmail and threaten us through violence. Kenyans have left that chapter, that dark history. We have built a more cohesive nation. So we are going to the chamber, the bell is ringing, and I'm sure we will do what we are supposed to do as elected members of parliament. That is my role as, not even as the leader of majority, as a member of parliament for the great people of Garissa Township.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.